Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device and host. Enable developer options by tapping build number 7 times, then open developer options and toggle USB debugging. Next, connect the phone with a reliable USB cable and choose File Transfer, MTP, on the device so the host sees it. Make sure Android Studio is installed and up to date, and on Windows install the Google USB driver. This avoids driver mismatches. Once done, watch for the authorization prompt on your phone and do not deny it. You now configure Android Studio to recognize the device. Confirm platform tools are installed in SDK Manager, then open the built-in terminal or a system shell and run a DB devices. If the phone shows as unauthorized, look at the phone and accept the RSA pairing prompt. If nothing appears, run a DB kill server, then a DB start server, and retry a DB devices. Make sure USB mode is file transfer and developer options still show USB debugging as enabled. You finish by selecting your device in Android Studio's Run Target and deploying the app. Use Run or Debug to start and watch Logcat for live logs. If deployment fails, make sure the device appears in the device chooser and that USB debugging remains enabled. For recurring issues, revoke USB debugging authorizations in developer options, reconnect the cable, and reinstall drivers or update platform tools. Then reauthorize the phone when prompted. If problems persist, restart the phone and your development machine before retesting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.